All right, Norton's going to do a personal box of Immaculate. Here we go. 1 on top, 5 on the bottom. 4. 1, 2, 3, and second from the bottom. 4. Good luck, brother. Crush it. All right, number 99, Trevor Simeon. Next, triple to 49. Mitch Trubisky, Jordan Howard, and Kevin White. I like those cards. That design, I don't know, it's very white feeling. It's just really clean. I really like the design of the triples. Next, boom, jumbo patch, 4 colors. Amir Abdullah. Immaculate numbers, jumbo patch. To 25. Next, Jamal Williams to 99. Rookie eye black autograph. Oh, nasty patch. 94 of 99, Jeff Garcia, jumbo patch auto. So pretty. And there he is. Number to 99, rookie patch auto, Kareem Hunt. Josh, there you have it, brother. Appreciate it.